Hello, everyone. This is attorney Andre McKinney Dorval. It's been a little bit since I last posted, but in this video, let's just get right into the Supreme Court's decision on Friday. Now, this past Friday, the Supreme Court basically cleared the way for the Trump administration to end CHNV parole. Now, guys, while the Supreme Court's decision to clear the way for Trump administration to end CHNV parole, the underlying merits of the case are still being litigated at the appeals court. But without a doubt, we know that this is going to cause harm by not having a stay on the termination of the CHNV parole while the case is being litigated. Two things that we can expect is going to start happening. Number one, CHNV parolees are going to, some of them are going to elect to depart and leave the country and travel back to their home country and possibly face the same dangers that they were fleeing from. In addition to the family separation, along with abandoning any forms of relief that they otherwise may be eligible for or any other application process. Now, the second consequence that we can see or expect to start to occur, and that is for those parolees who elect not to leave the United States, they can expect that they may be placed in removal proceedings, but more specifically, fast deportation or expedited removal. So in the second half of this video, I want to share with you the fast deportation or expedited removal and how it can possibly impact individuals with CHNV parole who remain in the United States. Now, in prior videos, we've discussed this along with the policy memo that the Trump administration has put out. But in this video, let's dive once more into it so you can understand what's happening right now. Now, in our last video, we talked about how ICE officers are at immigration court, courts like the Miami Immigration Court and other courts located around the country. Now, guys, many CHNV parolees, they've applied for asylum, but they haven't been here for 2 years. So guess what? The government attorney is dismissing those cases, and ICE is arresting individuals right outside the courtroom. So in this segment of the video, a brief recap. Expedited removal, it essentially applies to those who entered the United States without inspection or without legal papers. But in this instance, even individuals who have entered with CHNV parole and or through the border through the CBP One app can expect this to occur with them also. So those are the class of individuals who, how they entered, plus not having been physically in the United States for 2 years. That's going to be important. And so this is where individuals like the CHNV parole individuals who haven't been in the US for 2 years, this is where expedited removal is going to impact them. Now, generally speaking, individuals who can prove that they have been in the US for 2 years or more of continuance residence in the US are exempt from fast deportation or expedited removal. But in this instance, many individuals with CHNV parole do not have that 2+ year continuance residence. And that is going to be important, guys, to know. Now, if you are someone that does have 2 years of continuance residence, documents that you can carry to show this will include your lease agreements, rental agreements, utility bills, medical documentation, postmark mail, copies of any records showing that you have been physically continuously in the US for at least 2+ years. Now, if you are someone who you have CHNV parole and you applied for asylum and you've gone to or are going to an immigration court hearing, and the government attorney is going to dismiss your case, check out our video. But most importantly as well, is if you have a fear of returning to your home country, you have got to say that. You have got to express that orally, verbally. You have to say that. You have to say, for example, I'm scared, I'm afraid to return to my country. Or you can ask for a credible fear screening interview. Or you are afraid to go to your home country because you'll be tortured or face persecution. You have to use any form of these terms or words to express your fear if you have a fear of being sent back to your home country. Because what is happening now, guys, is even if individuals who have applied for asylum, who have CHNV, and they've been here less than 2 years, the government attorney is dismissing those cases as well. And so you are going to have to express your fear of return if you have a fear of going back to the home country. Guys, I am going to do a part 2 to this video. I didn't want this video to be too long. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and share this video, guys. There's so much happening. And certainly where I am located in Florida at the Miami Immigration Court, they are dismissing cases and ICE agents are arresting individuals soon after their immigration cases are being dismissed. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to share the video, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye-bye.